Welcome back, gadget enthusiasts. Are you tired of clutter taking over your space? Well, today, we're diving into the world of ingenious gadgets designed to maximize your living area without sacrificing style or functionality. From sleek steel shower organizers to versatile sofa armrest solutions, we've got the perfect picks to transform your home into a spacious haven. So, grab a seat and get ready to discover the top 12 space-saving gadgets that will revolutionize the way you live. Let's jump right in. Tired of a cluttered shower? The Viken stainless steel shower caddy is the ultimate space-saving solution. This 6-pack set includes large, medium, and small caddies, plus soap and toothbrush holders, ensuring everything stays neatly organized. Made from rust-proof, waterproof stainless steel, it's built to last and handle heavy loads. Not just for showers, it's also perfect for kitchen sinks, cabinet storage, spices, and home decor. Crafted for versatility. No drilling or tools required. Just stick the strong adhesive, and you're good to go. Whether in the bathroom or kitchen, this sleek black caddy keeps your essentials within reach while adding a modern touch to your space. Maximize your bathroom space with the over-the-toilet storage rack, a 4-tier freestanding organizer perfect for small spaces. Featuring 3 open shelves, a storage basket, 3 removable hooks, and a toilet paper holder, this rack offers ample storage for toiletries, towels, and more. Made with P2 particle board and a sturdy metal frame, it ensures durability and stability, supporting up to 30 pounds per shelf. The adjustable shelves let you customize storage, while the X-frame design and anti-slip feet prevent tipping. Easy to install with included tools, this vintage brown space saver is perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and dorms. Keep essentials within reach with the Joywell Sofa Armrest Organizer, crafted from durable 500 GSM linen fabric for long-lasting use. This wrinkle-resistant and shrink-proof caddy features 6 pockets, perfect for storing magazines, tablets, remotes, phones, and more. Its adjustable design fits any couch, recliner, or bedside, making it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. The non-slip design ensures stability. Easy to install, simply tuck one end under the cushion for a secure fit. Machine washable and stylish, this space-saving solution keeps your essentials organized and always within reach. Maximize kitchen efficiency with the Sakugi over-the-sink dish drying rack, designed for large-capacity storage while keeping countertops clutter-free. Easy installation process ensures a hassle-free setup with step-by-step instructions and included accessories. This adjustable stainless steel rack fits most household sinks, guaranteeing a perfect fit for your kitchen. Its durable 304 stainless steel construction resists rust and corrosion, while the over-the-sink design allows water to drain directly, preventing mess. Featuring multiple compartments including a utensil holder, knife holder, cutting board slot, and 5 utility hooks, it offers versatile storage for various kitchen essentials. Easy to install and clean, the smooth, waterproof coating ensures effortless maintenance. This space-saving organizer is a must-have for any modern kitchen, optimizing space while adding convenience. The VTop Mart 25-piece clear plastic drawer organizer set is the ultimate solution for keeping your home neat and clutter-free. Designed for bathrooms, kitchens, offices, and bedrooms, these versatile trays help organize makeup, utensils, jewelry, and more. With 4 different sizes, you can customize storage to fit any drawer, cabinet, or shelf. Made from durable clear plastic, they let you easily see contents without rummaging. Plus, non-slip silicone pads keep them securely in place. When not in use, these stackable bins save space, and they're easy to clean with just a damp cloth. Stay organized effortlessly with this must-have storage set. Maximize your space with the Yakai Underbed Storage Organizer, a rolling storage solution perfect for clothes, shoes, blankets, and more. Designed for convenience, it features PU handles on both sides for easy handling. Made from sturdy and durable 300D PU fabric with a strong metal frame, it ensures long-lasting use while holding up to 66-pounsers. Its great capacity makes it ideal for storing multiple clothes, shoes, and other essentials. The included label card allows for easy identification, so you can find items quickly without hassle. With smooth rolling 360-degree wheels, it glides effortlessly under beds, sofas, or closets, making it the best underbed storage option for small spaces. Keep your shoes organized with the Clemate Stackable Shoe Organizer, A 15-pack clear plastic storage solution, perfect for closets and sneaker collections. The transparent design allows you to quickly find your shoes without opening each box. Featuring a magnetic door, it ensures secure closure, while the vented back panel prevents odor buildup. Made from durable, eco-friendly plastic, these dust-proof and lightweight bins have an interlocking stackable design, making them easy to arrange. With quick assembly and a sturdy structure, this modern shoe storage rack is perfect for maximizing space while keeping your footwear neat and accessible. Its sleek and stylish design blends seamlessly into any home decor. Upset by a crowded and messy closet? Maximize your closet space with House Day Magic space-saving hangers, designed to keep your wardrobe neat and organized. This magic space-saving hanger with 5 holes is both durable and sturdy, made from high-quality ABS plastic, and can hold up to 5 garments, supporting 6 pounds horizontally and 8 pounds vertically, perfect for coats, suits, jackets, and more. The simplistic and stylish design works with all types of hangers, making it a versatile solution for any closet. Its multifunctional and space-saving structure reduces closet clutter by up to 80%, preventing wrinkles and making clothes easier to access. A must-have for any organized wardrobe, these hangers bring efficiency and convenience to your daily routine. Keep your accessories neatly stored with the BagSmart Hanging Jewelry Organizer, a double-sided storage roll designed for easy access and organization. It features 32 transparent pockets for rings, earrings, and bracelets, while 42 exclusive wave-shaped hooks keep necklaces tangle-free. The rotating hanger allows for effortless placement on closets, doors, or walls. Made from durable polyester and PVC, this space-saving jewelry holder ensures visibility and accessibility. Its multifunctional design also accommodates hair accessories, makeup, and more, making it the perfect travel-friendly organizer for stylish and clutter-free storage. Maximize your closet space with the Legging Organizer, a durable metal hanger designed to hold 20 pairs of yoga pants, leggings, jeans, and more. This 2-pack set features 10 strong clips per hanger, making storage effortless and saving valuable space. No assembly required, just hang it directly in your closet, on a door, or wall for easy access. Made of high-quality carbon steel with a smooth rubber-coated finish, it ensures a strong grip without leaving marks on your clothes. Ideal for organizing shorts, skirts, slacks, and sportswear, this versatile closet essential keeps your wardrobe neat and accessible while adding a touch of convenience to your daily routine. Keep your hats organized with the Acrylic Hat Organizer, a stylish and space-saving solution for baseball caps, trucker hats, and more. This 2-pack hat stand holds 14 caps while maintaining their shape and structure. With a modern transparent design, it seamlessly fits into any bedroom, closet, dresser, or office. No installation required, just place it anywhere without drilling or damaging walls. Non-slip rubber feet keep it stable, ensuring your hats stay in place. Made of 100% high-quality acrylic, this durable and lightweight organizer is easy to move and adds a sleek touch to your space. The Maforoco 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer is the perfect solution for maximizing space in small kitchens or homes with limited storage. Designed to fit 16.5-inch wide doors, this hanging shelf keeps spices, jars, and essentials neatly organized while saving valuable counter space. Crafted from durable, rust-proof metal, it securely holds even heavy cans without bending or tipping. Super easy installation process, comes with all required hardware. Plus, no tools or drilling required. Just hook it over your door and start organizing instantly. Beyond the kitchen, this versatile organizer is perfect for storing cleaning supplies, toiletries, and even shoes, making it a must-have for any home. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of space-saving gadgets. We hope you found the perfect solutions to declutter and enhance your living space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more innovative ideas and gadget reviews. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and optimizing your space, gadget enthusiasts.